The HELITRONIC Micro is the most accurate tool grinding machine in our portfolio. It is optimized for producing micro tools up to a tool diameter of 12.7 millimeters or ½ inch. The machine bed made of mineral cast is specially designed for this area of application, which ensures vibration damping and temperature-resistant grinding precision. All CNC axes of the HELITRONIC Micro are equipped with the cooled linear or torque drives. This makes the HELITRONIC Micro a highly dynamic and precise tool grinding machine. In addition, the machine has an NC-controlled B-axis, which allows the grinding wheels to be swiveled to an exact angle, and an X-axis, which places the tool exactly in the rotation center. This reduces the grinding movements, which ensures highest precision for radius tools. The grinding head of the HELITRONIC Micro has 3 liquid-cooled motor spindles for maximum flexibility and very short changeover times. For cylindrical grinding operations, a special fast-turning A-axis was developed to produce tools completely in one setup without changeovers. A FANUC robot loader is integrated for the tool automation of the HELITRONIC Micro. In combination with the option Tool Vision system for the correct positioning of the coolant holes, the machine time of the whole grinding process is significantly reduced. For tool support, there are high-precision shank or support steady rests available, which ensures the best concentricity even with longer tools. The HELITRONIC Micro comes with our well-known HELITRONIC Tool Studio software, which in combination with Core offers a unified and intuitive operation philosophy. All this makes the HELITRONIC Micro a technical, sophisticated and precise tool grinding machine in the small and micro tool sector.